I'm one of the most lucky person to have come across this workshop. Lucky for me, it was just when I was scouting to get my feet into the IT field. After just being advised to, due to my love for IT, to look at a profession in IT. Just then I landed on an ad of Improtech on Instagram. Then upon no other thought, I decided to give it a try. And I must say, it has been resourceful, it has been knowledge impacting, and thumbs up to the organizers. They are very much well vexed in what they really taught us. It's not just about the book knowledge, but these are people who you could tell are very much resourceful and then have the skills on their fingertips. IT is the ish. Now every industry can't do without IT. So if for anything, if you are out there looking for a field in IT, look no further. Just turn your gaze onto Improtech and you'll find the right course to pursue.